Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some pumpkin oatmeal chocolate cookies for you. This was a recipe I'd seen shared on Facebook by one of my friends. I was like, well, that looks pretty good, so figured I'd give it a try. Like I've said before in some of my videos about baking, I'm not big of a baker, but I figured I'd give it a try, like I said, because it looked pretty good. So I started out with the butter that I had there and the brown sugar. I think it was like a half cup and then a half a stick. You whip those together to get them smooth and kind of frothy looking. Then you started on the eggs. You added them one at a time in till you got them mixed through. Then the pumpkin puree went in. It was a cup's worth. Get it mixed. Then the spices came in, which was just cinnamon for me. It was I think a teaspoon, not 100% sure, but I'll have all the ingredients down below so you can see what all went in it and how it went in it. And then it was 2 cups of oats and a cup of flour, and you just slowly start incorporating those in. And once you got those mixed, and then the chocolate chips came in, but I didn't have any, so I figured I could just chop up my little Hershey bars and that'd work instead. So I just chopped them up into about, I think there was in little 6 pieces that I chopped up out of it, so it could have good sized chunks. And then you just folded those in and threw the batter. And once I got those mixed in, I had my oven preheating at this time at 350 degrees. And I got me a little tablespoon measuring cup and used it as the size of the cookies that I used, and scooped them out, put them on there, and then they baked for, I think it was 12 minutes, but I'll have the exact time in the description just so you can see how long. And once they got done, let them cool for a little bit and then enjoy. And that's it. They're pretty simple, tasty little pumpkin recipe for you since it's that time of year. But anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.